So now we want to do the reverse. We want to get the equation from the graph. So here I have an equation, a graph, and I can see this is a point of inflection graph. They've given me the point and they've labelled it clearly. So from that, I know it is a point of inflection graph, which my equation looks like that. That is on your cheat sheet. You don't have to remember that general form. That is all good. We just need to be able to use it. So I know my point of inflection, so I can sub him in. Ax minus 2 cubed plus 15. Okay, so I've got a minus, so I'm going to change him to a plus. Cool. But now I need to find out what that a is. So to find that, I need to use another point. So for this one, we're going to use our y-intercept. So 47 equals a, 0 plus 2 cubed plus 15. Okay, I'm going to minus 15 from both sides, and I'm also going to do this cube. So 47 minus 15 is 32. And 2 cubed is 8, so that's 8a. And divide both sides by 8. A equals 4. Yeah, so now I know my equation is y equals 4 x plus 2 cubed plus 15. Actually not too bad, doesn't take too many steps, just involves knowing the point of inflection and another point. Don't forget to find what that a value is for me. If you've just lost him, you are going to lose marks. We can also have a graph that looks like this. And so we know this isn't a point of inflection graph, and we have 3 distinct factors. So that means I'm going to use y equals a, x plus b, x plus c, x plus d. Alright, where b, c, and d are my factors. So y equals a. Don't forget to change the signs. So negative 4 becomes positive 4, negative 2, positive 2, and positive 5, negative 5. So I'm really close to having the full equation, but once again, I need to find out a. So I'm going to use the other point I know, which is my y-intercept. So negative 20 equals a, and all my x's are 0. So negative 20 equals a times negative 40. So then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 40, which gets me a half. So I now know a, so I can rewrite my equation with it. And there we go. That's your full equation. Once again, not a very long process. It's just about making sure you find that a. And one more. This one has a bounce. It has a bounce at positive 3. So we know it's going to be like the previous one with factors, but I am going to have a double factor, which means I have a squared bracket. Make sure, because this is our bounce, that is the square bracket one. Okay, so y equals a, x plus 2, x minus 3 squared, because x minus 3 is our bounce. So then once again I want to find a, so we sub in another point. Negative 9 equals a, all of my x's are zeros because we're the y-intercept. And then I'm solving, so negative 9 equals a, 3 times 3 is 9, and it's positive, times 2 is 18. Divide both sides by 18, and I get negative a half equals a, and we put that back into the original equation. And there we go. Alright, so you guys are having a go at 7G, questions 2, 3, 7 and 8. 7B is hard, and only do 8A. Okay, so do all of 7, but 7B is the hard one.